We're going to create a true bi-directional sync between Shopify and Snowflake directly within the Stacksync dashboard. Let's get started. First, let's navigate to Create Resource and select Syncs. We search for our Shopify connection and select a saved credential. For this demonstration, we've already pre-configured this credential, eliminating repetitive setup work. We select it, then choose our Snowflake instance, which is also pre-configured. Next, let's name our sync Shopify and Snowflake. Now we link the tables. One of Stacksync's core strengths is flexibility. It enables you to sync as many tables and objects from Shopify as your use case demands. You can select all the tables you need from Shopify and precisely configure the sync direction: one-way inbound, one-way outbound, or a full bi-directional sync. It's worth noting that certain tables are read-only from Shopify, so they are scoped to one-way or ETL syncs into Snowflake. Stacksync surfaces this automatically, so there's no guesswork. You can link to an existing table or let Stacksync provision a new table in Snowflake on your behalf. For this demonstration, we'll let Stacksync auto-create new tables with the correct schema, purpose-built for our Shopify to Snowflake bi-directional sync. This alone eliminates hours of manual schema design. Moving to column mapping. Stacksync gives you granular, field-level control to override the sync direction on individual columns, adjust data types, or exclude sensitive columns from the sync entirely. This level of precision is critical for teams managing compliance requirements like GDPR or HIPAA. Once our mappings are finalized, let's create the sync. We activate it. Because Stacksync is a full integration cloud, not just a point-to-point connector, it enables your Shopify integration to operate far beyond a simple two-way sync. With event triggers, you can capture data changes across your sync between Shopify and any of Stacksync's 200-plus connectors, allowing you to trigger downstream workflows, query databases, or publish events to message queues in real time. Stacksync also provides propagated schema updates. This powerful enterprise-grade feature ensures that whenever a schema change occurs in Shopify or Snowflake, Stacksync automatically detects and applies those changes on both sides, eliminating the fragile manual schema maintenance that breaks custom-built pipelines. Stacksync identifies and reconciles all necessary schema updates without engineering intervention. For advanced users and engineering teams who want deeper control, Stacksync provides full pro code access. You can modify the YAML configuration directly within the settings. You can also dynamically adjust the data sync frequency in real time for operational use cases, or tune it for high-volume analytical workloads. Let's now validate our sync. We hit refresh. And we can confirm that all records have successfully populated across both systems. Let's jump into our Snowflake instance and verify that all tables have been created as expected. We navigate to Products and will now demonstrate true bi-directionality, this time initiating a change from Snowflake back to Shopify. We'll update the product title Andaracha by appending Andaracha test. Once we push this update in Snowflake, the change propagates automatically to your live Shopify store. No manual intervention required. Navigate to Products, search for Andaracha, and you'll see it now reads Andaracha test, reflecting the change made in Snowflake. Now let's reverse the flow. From Shopify back to Snowflake. We click Save, return to Snowflake, hit refresh, and the update is instantly reflected as Andaracha test, confirming seamless, real-time bi-directional consistency. This is the power of Stacksync Integration Cloud, enabling real-time bi-directional data consistency between Shopify and Snowflake, purpose-built for enterprise operational use cases at scale. Get started at Stacksync.com, the #1 AI-ready enterprise integration cloud.